Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and I hope you all do well. So in today's video I'm just going to quickly explain why personally I have stopped air drying my hair now. I mainly just do a blow dry, and I will show you an example at the end of how I do this. But I just wanted to say I've stopped air drying my hair because it's just become quite difficult at the moment now, because I am due for a relaxer next month. I did do this like last summer and it was just so much easier for my hair because I did at the time have a fresh relaxer, so it was just easier for me to air dry my hair. But now because of the regrowth is getting a lot, so what I do, I just partially do it because of my regrowth, they're just clumping together. So anytime I need to part my hair or I need to like oil my scalp or anything, it's just all clumping together. If I'm putting a comb through, it's just too much, and I'm just so careful with my healthy hair journey now at the moment. I'm really just conscious of no breakage, no nothing. Everything I'm doing, I'm taking good care of my hair now. I'm being extra gentle with my hair, and just the air drying personally just does not work for me. So I've just opted for, you might as well say, a blowout. But because I'm just working on minimizing my heat, I do air dry it partially and then I go in with my blow dryer. So yeah, that's what I've just going to start doing throughout this summer, just to make it easy. I'm not going to put on no flat irons or straighteners. I'm not going to go with straighteners right now. I've just got it in a bun, just keep it like that. Maybe change it to a high bun or whatever I want, but just to keep it all minimal. I'm really working on not playing around with my hair too much or just having it out, especially like I said, it's coming up to relaxer day. I just want to be less in my hair really. Maybe next week I'll do a little hairstyle or something like that, but for this week I'm just going to keep it easy, plain, just work around with my buns and just keep it nice and easy. So what I'm just going to show you is just a quick demonstration of how I partially air dry, products I use, and then a little bit of my blowing process, so you can just see the end results. But yeah, it just works for me and that's just going to be my process. Okay, so I've just finished washing my hair and I always like to put it in the microfiber towel. That's just to soak up all that excess water. So while the water's soaking up, I do my face, and now I'm just going to take this off. So my hair is a bit damp, however I do want it to be dried out a bit more, so this is where I partially air dry my hair. So I'm just going to quickly like comb and carefully detangle. I don't want to detangle too much because I don't want to rip out too much of the hair. So I'm just going to use this hairband. Any tight hairband really can work. So I'm just gonna, now that I've put on my hairband, I'm just gonna let this air dry just a little bit more because it is still quite damp. I like to try and get it like as dry as possible if I can, and then I'll just let that air dry now. So that's all I'm gonna do, is just let this air dry. So it has been now 15 minutes. I just let it air dry a bit more just for 15 minutes. So now I'm just going to put in my leave-in, my heat protectant, and obviously my serum. And then I'm just going to blow dry my hair out. So the first thing I do is part my hair into my famous 4 sections, and it just makes it easier to work on each section at a time. Now I will go in with my leave-in conditioner, then my heat protectant, and then my serum. I'll rub this all in and then detangle my hair and put that up, and I will carry this on for the rest of the 4 sections. Next, I'll just go on to start my blow drying process, and I use a blow dryer and a paddle brush, and I make sure I smooth that all in, especially getting the roots and the ends straight as possible. If you want to see a full blow dry and straightening routine, please click the link below. So lastly, what I now like to do is I get the blow dryer and the paddle brush and I put it on a cool shot, and I just go through the whole of the hair, so I cool down my hair. So now I'm just styling it and slicking that into a low bun. So these are the final results, and it's just so much better now, so much easier. I love it now. I can just like comb through my hair with ease. I don't have to worry. I can still get through it when I need to oil my scalp and stuff like that. So yeah, these are just the final results. So as always, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. So take care now. Bye.